welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. And we have the car of the day. This is for the 2016 Honda Accord. This is the cardinal color, all cardinal, no perforations, double stitch, matching color. This is today's project, guys, and you can get this in different colors, different combinations, piping, exotics, you name it. We make it in more than 60 different colors plus combinations. You can get them at LeatherTeck.com or EM Upholstery Technology.com. And this kit is gonna go into this toy right here. For a 2016, it's in decent shape. Nothing wrong with this car, but leather is already worn out, a little bit shrinked, and that's because they put the wrong chemicals. Guys, when you put leather conditioner or things like that, be sure you use quality products. Don't use the cheap stuff, because shrinking is gonna happen, and it shrinks to the level that it kind of torn the leather apart. Now this cardinal is gonna be beautiful for this car. It's only seats, nothing for the console, nothing for the doors. Let's take a look at the back. Mud pockets for the two fronts. Split lean back on the rear. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. It's so shrink that it start to get deformed. Actually, right there, it fails already in the stitch. If you have any questions about our leather interiors by LeatherTeck.com, please let us know. Put it in the comments. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how easy it is to install these kits. I know it looks like crap, but wait until we finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this leather interiors really looks, and it won't break the bank. They're very affordable. Make an inquiry, LeatherTeck.com, EM Upholstery Technology.com. Okay guys, we have completed the installation for this kit, and I want you to see the difference between the way that it looks when it came out of the box and the way that it looks now that it's installed. So the transformation is obvious, and don't think that all the time you're gonna get these wrinkles out. Sometimes takes a little bit of time for all the wrinkles to be removed, especially if you do it yourself. It's gonna be more wrinklish, guys. If you take it to a professional, it's gonna be a lot more smoother. But over time, I will not say tomorrow, but over time, with the first summer, more or less, few months later, you don't even gonna notice these kits smooth out, and they look fantastic. But don't take my word for it. Let's take a look so you can see the transformation in place. And it is completed, guys. Let's take a look. There you have it. Only front seats, because we have an issue in the back. We cannot load the covers, we cannot do the upholstery. But this is the result that you guys are gonna be seeing from our kits. Visit LeatherTeck.com, EM Upholstery Technology.com. We have this in different colors, combinations, exotic, suede, piping, double stitch, you name it, contrast stitch, for virtually any vehicle. Like and subscribe.